This is Spencer and his dog that he got for Christmas. Look at him move, following that doggy. He knows where it's coming. It's even off the mat now. Spencer, you're not supposed to be off the mat.
Where's the uff?
Is that the uff? Ah, have you got the uff? Good boy. It's doggy, isn't it?
Gentle with the doggy.
Daddy, walk it round again. You can get it off of Spencer's arm. Spencer says to follow the doggy. Look. Go and get it. Good boy, that's very clever, Spencer. So you can see your first word down, you got it.
Good boy, well done.
Very clever.